Rivian's launch hasn't gone smoothly as the electric automaker has struggled to ramp production, resulting in them missing their 2021 production targets, even after cutting them, as we mentioned in our previous videos. The issues were enough to shut down the entire production line for 1 week earlier this month. Rivian says they have now been able to increase production to 200 units per week, but those issues and delays have cost them a domestic supply of EV batteries. Recently, Rivian ran into a little snag with one of their prospective partnership with Samsung. This issue was as a result of this production delays by Rivian that was just mentioned. Apparently, it weighed on the battery partnership with Samsung. Let's find out why. Hi, welcome to Everything Cybertruck, where you'll be getting all the latest updates on the Tesla Cybertruck, Rivian, and more. If you enjoy this video, let us know in the comments section below, and why not support us by hitting that like and subscribe button, and don't forget to hit the bell icon as well so you'll be the first to know each time we release a new video. It's free. Samsung forged a partnership with Rivian due to production delays and not being able to meet up their production targets. Instead of creating a battery development and manufacturing partnership with Rivian as formerly agreed, Samsung decided to create this joint venture with Stellantis, as the maker of the R1T electric pickup went into a production delay spiral. Reports say, not only couldn't Rivian commit on purchase volumes, but it also wanted unacceptable technology transfers. Due to this unfortunate news, Rivian saw its shares drop more than 40% from its November IPO price, knocking it off its top $144 billion valuation perch. Since the first production R1T truck got to its buyer in September, Rivian has only been able to ramp up its factory capacity to 200 units a week, explaining why investors are punishing its stock price. Adding to Rivian's worries is now the news that those production delays prevented it from securing the desired partnership with Samsung SDI over battery development and manufacturing. It's been said that despite there no longer being a deal for a factory, Samsung SDI will continue to supply Rivian with batteries for the R1S and R1T from their other facilities. We'd like to know your thoughts in the comment section below. Thanks for watching, and again, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more awesome content like this one coming in the future. See you later.